Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that an AI tool paid you overnight. No boss, no clients, no deadlines, just smart tools doing the work for you. Today, we're breaking down AI tools that can help you earn daily income, even if you're a beginner with zero experience. Welcome back to Bright Mind Show. In this video, we're diving deep into AI tools that pay you every single day. These tools cover microtasks, content creation, automation, and simple AI-powered jobs. They are beginner-friendly, require no special skills, and work from anywhere in the world. First up, Amaze AI Microtasks. Amaze is one of the newest AI-powered earning platforms. It pays you for completing small tasks like checking AI-generated images, labeling short videos, and fixing incorrect AI text. Each task pays small amounts, but because they're super fast, people earn daily. Some users complete 20 to 40 tasks per day and cash out instantly using PayPal. Next, OpusClip Daily Content Automation. This one can indirectly pay you every day. OpusClip turns long videos into short viral scenes automatically. People are using this tool to run TikTok motivational pages, Instagram Reels pages, and YouTube Shorts channels. Because short-form content grows fast, monetization becomes easier. Once your Shorts channel is monetized, you get paid every single day. Third, Toloka AI. Toloka is an AI training platform that pays daily for completing small jobs. These include categorizing images, reviewing sentences, checking if AI answers make sense, and verifying product listings. The best part? Tasks refresh every hour, and the payout is instant, with no long waiting period. Fourth, Temu Influence AI Program. This one is wild. Temu launched an AI-powered creator program where you make short videos reviewing products. You don't need to show your face. You don't need real equipment. AI helps you create voiceovers, scripts, and edits. Every video pays daily bonuses depending on views. Fifth, Canva Plus ChatGPT Daily Design Workflow. Here's a simple daily money method. You create Instagram quote posts, Pinterest pins, simple business flyers, and YouTube thumbnails. Then sell them on Etsy or Fiverr. Because designs sell 24/7, this becomes a daily payout system. Sixth, Refusion AI Music. Refusion lets you generate original music with AI. People sell these music loops as background music, meditation tracks, game audio, and YouTube music. Platforms like Pond5 and Audio Jungle pay daily based on downloads. This turns AI music into passive income. Seventh, DDAI Video Ads. This tool creates realistic talking narrator videos for ads. Small businesses always need video ads for TikTok and Facebook. You can offer ad creation services, charge $10 to $25 per video, and deliver the job in minutes. Once you start getting clients, daily payments become normal. Eighth, Glass AI Writing. This tool writes full blog posts in minutes. Bloggers use it for daily content, allowing them to earn daily from affiliate commissions, display ads, and sponsored content. With consistent posting, this becomes a daily income stream. Ninth, RemoveBG AI. You won't believe this. RemoveBG is a basic AI background remover. But freelancers make daily money using this tool by selling background removal gigs. You offer, I will remove background from 10 photos for $5. You do the work in seconds. People need this service every single day. 10th, Tome AI plus upcoming daily presentation jobs. With Tome AI, you build beautiful presentations automatically. Businesses need slides every day, pitch decks, reports, school projects, you name it. Offer a simple service on Fiverr. I will create a premium presentation using AI. Daily orders equal daily income. And that's it. AI tools that can help you generate daily income, even as a beginner. Start with just one method and stay consistent for a week. You'll start seeing real results. If you want a part 2 with more tools, comment Daily AI Money. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload new AI earning videos every day. Thanks for watching Bright Mind Show. See you in the next one.